For many years, Cadillac has struggled to compete with European luxury brands, but it has persevered as seen by the release of its new electric flagship, the Celestiq sedan. Before going further, I have a humble request to subscribe my channel. I have only 0.4% viewers who subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel. Although this stunning vehicle resembles the new Lyriq EV SUV in terms of familial resemblance, it stands out thanks to its slender lines, sweeping roof, and bustling rear end. The designers at Cadillac claim to have combined historical design cues with cutting-edge technologies that forecast the future course of the American luxury brand. The interior decor is equally dramatic as the exterior, and the cabin dazzles with vividly colored leather, a 55-inch digital display, and bucket seats designed in the Eames style. A small group of artisans will hand-build each Celestiq as they are assembled by the queue. Customers will create their own Celestiq when they place an order, similar to the bespoke manufacturing process used by Rolls-Royce. Will that be sufficient to bring Cadillac into the light? Once we get to drive one, we'll know. What's new for 2024 Cadillac Celestiq? Although the Celestiq will be produced as a brand new model for Cadillac's 2024 portfolio, don't look for it on the showroom floor of your neighborhood dealer. Celestiqs will be specially ordered, customized to meet the needs of each buyer, and most likely supplied in the same covert manner as they are bought. The Celestiq will stand out from the rest of the Cadillac portfolio for a number of reasons, not the least of which is that each one will be custom-built, with a hand. Production of Celestiq, pronounced Celestiq, will consequently need to be constrained. When the Celestiqs appear at future Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, we anticipate certain customers to design Celestiqs that draw attention both now and in the future, since Cadillac claims there is essentially no limit to modification capabilities. Cadillac has not yet disclosed the price of its new flagship sedan, although the firm has stated that it would begin north of $300,000. Price increases will undoubtedly result from customization options, EV motor, power, and performance for 2024 Cadillac Celestiq. While the Celestiq has a lot of adjustable features, its power plant does not. Cadillac forecasts that the dual-motor all-wheel drive electric powertrain in each vehicle will produce about 600 horsepower. According to the manufacturer, that is enough to propel the Celestiq to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds, putting it on par with entry-level versions of the Audi e-tron GT and the Porsche Taycan. We anticipate the Celestiq to adopt a considerably more subdued, comfort-focused approach to driving than the Blackwing or other large sports sedans may. The long sedan can maneuver more nimbly in confined spaces and make tighter U-turns thanks to the standard adaptive air suspension system and rear-wheel steering. We won't be able to test drive the Celestiq for a bit, but when we do, we'll update this article with our thoughts afterward. Range, charging, and battery life for 2024 Cadillac Celestiq. The Ultium battery pack that powers the Celestiq is big enough to provide around 300 miles of driving range per charge, according to the EPA. Even though most drivers probably won't need more than that, it already falls far short of the greatest. For comparison, the new Lucid Air sedan has a range of up to 516 miles, whereas the maximum distance a Tesla Model S can travel is 402 miles. The Celestiq can be recharged via a DC fast-charging connection, and according to Cadillac, a 200 kilowatts connection will give the battery a range of 78 miles in just 10 minutes. Interior, comfort, and cargo for 2024 Cadillac Celestiq. The Celestiq's cabin is a technological powerhouse, starting with an instrument panel that is virtually one huge digital display. Each person will have their own personal area thanks to the 4 bucket seats. Every passenger has the ability to manage their own tiny patch of the sky, thanks to the electrochromic glass panel that makes up the roof. This glass panel can be altered from transparent to opaque. Most of the cabin is lined with buttery leather, which comes in almost any color, with embellishments made of other intriguing materials. Brushed aluminum trim blends with environmentally friendly open-pore wood that has been perforated to let glints of light from the ambient interior lighting system shine through. The large leather-lined cargo space has elegant metal inlays on the floor and is also lined with leather. By the way, the Celestiq is a hatchback instead of a conventional 3-box sedan, much like the Audi A7 and Kia Stinger. Safety and driver assistance features for 2024 Cadillac Celestiq. A variety of driver assistance systems, ranging from fundamentals like automatic emergency braking to cutting-edge hands-free driving via GM's new Ultra Cruise system. The company's Super Cruise hands-free driving technology will be standard on all Celestiq models. Visit the websites of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, EIHS, for more details regarding the Celestiq's crash test results. Important safety elements include pedestrian detection standard automated emergency braking, lane keeping assistance and a standard lane departure warning, standard hands-free driving mode for adaptive cruise control. Thanks for watching.